Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see about 25 most popular VS Code shortcuts. Before we move to the video, here is a short intro. The first one in the list is ZEN Mode. ZEN Mode is a restriction-free view allowing you to focus completely on your code and hide all the toolbars and buttons. To access the Zen mode in the Windows, you can press Ctrl K plus Z, and in Mac, you can press Command CMD and K plus Z keys, or you can go into the Views menu and then selecting the Appearance and then toggle Zen my on-screen keyboard. And to activate the Zen mode, what I will do is I will press Ctrl K and then Z. As you can see, the other sections of my Visual Studio Code has been disappeared. To deactivate the Zen mode, I will press again the Control A and then Z. I can also go into the view, then appearance and Zen mode right here. As you can see, I have pressed the Control key Z again, get it back. The command palette will probably turn out to be the most used feature of Visual Studio Code for you. If you are new to the editor, it presents to you every functionality, shortcut, and configuration option in the form of a searchable list. To access it for Windows, you can press Ctrl Shift P, and for Mac, you can press CMD Shift plus P, or you can access it by going to View and then Command Palette. So I am in the Visual Studio Code again. To open the Command Palette, I will press Ctrl Shift P. As you can see, the Command Palette has been opened. For Mac, you can press Command Shift and P. Let me try again. Ctrl Shift P, or else you can go into the view and click on this command palette, open the same. If you ever want to search for a piece of text in all your current project files, VS Code allows you to do that by either clicking the search icon on the sidebar or by using the following keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift F, or in Mac Command Shift F. To demonstrate the search functionality, I have downloaded one sample Git project, and to search in the whole project, I can press Ctrl Shift F, and it will open up this search bar. If I type something in here, let's say search or speech, it will find all the occurrences in all the files. Right now, I am having that in one file only, but it will find all the occurrences if that is available in other file as well. And to search in the specific file, let's say I want to search in this specific file word voice, Control F, and you can find it for this particular file like speech. Okay. You can save a lot of time and avoid accidental deletion caused by the usual way of holding down backspace while deleting any record or row. Just delete the previous word by using Ctrl plus backspace or Command plus backspace for Mac. To delete the specific word from a line, what you can do is just press the Ctrl and then hit the backspace, and that way you can remove some of the words instead of pressing the backspace for this longer time and accidentally deleting what you have right. a bonus trick along with the other 5 tricks for Visual Studio Code. The bonus trick is related to the Visual Studio Code shortcuts. Do you know, is it possible to use the Visual Studio shortcuts in the VS Code? Can we do that? The answer is yes, that is possible and it's very simple to do. Go to the Visual Studio Code extensions and search for Visual Studio Keymap. Install this extension Visual Studio Keymap and then you will be able to use all your Visual Studio shortcuts in the Visual Studio Code as well. For example, so to install that extension, we need to go in extensions and search for Visual Studio Map and click on install. So now, as my extension has been installed, I can use all the Visual Studio shortcuts here in my Visual Studio key map. To know which shortcuts I can use, uh, 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 wait for the next part. Thank you for watching. And yes, if you like my content, if you like my video, then please like, share, and subscribe. To stay up to date with my latest videos and content, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the button above this video.